Welcome to SADX. What do you think?
16 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1.
And inside bracket 16 to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 1 are same. What do you think? Let's find out. Please note that students are making a common mistake based on like a to the power b to the power c. So in this case, and a to the power b to the power minus c is not same. So first one, we try to solve this one step by step. So step 1. Look, once you are facing a to the power b to the power c, you should solve first b to the power c. So here is minus 2 to the power minus 1. It's a negative exponent. So what can we do? Look, minus and 2 to the power minus 1, it means 1 by 2, right? So here this minus 2 to the power minus 1, it means minus 1 by 2. So we can write this one. So 16 to the power minus 1 by 2, we are writing minus 2 to the power minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 2, right? Now look, what do you think? A to the power 1 by 2, what does mean? It means root a, right? So we can solve this one two way. One way, we can make this one number 1. This 16 we can write 4 square, then times minus 1 by 2. This 2 and 2 out. So here is 4 to the power minus 1, which is 1 by 4. Okay. And next one, second method. Look, 16 to the power minus 1 by 2. So this is a negative exponent. So we can write 1 divide 16 to the power 1 by 2, which is 1 root 16. Look, root a equals to root 1 by 2 is the same thing. So 1 and root 16 is a 4. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, same. It means this one 16 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1, result is 1 by 4. So what do you think? It's also become similar? Let's find out. So this one is 1 by 4. And what about this one? This one we can write, we know a to the power b inside bracket whole to the power c, it means a to the power b times c is a common thing. So this one we can write 16 to the power minus 1 times minus 1. It means what? 16 minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 1, once we multiply it will become positive. So positive 2, it means 16 square. 16 square is a 256. Look, this one 256 and this one 1 by 4. So 16 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1 is not equal 16 to the power minus 2 inside bracket to the power minus 1. Okay. So what is the common mistake? Common mistake is that once student look minus 2 to the power minus 1, they are doing 16 to the power minus 1 times minus to the 16 to the power minus 2 times minus 1. Okay. So this is wrong. Okay. So be careful about this thing. From now, SADX will try to find out a common mistake of algebra. Today's topic is Exponent Trap. Okay, so no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends if you think this video is helping you. Thank you.